In this video, we can talk about top 5 Originality AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you have come here looking for alternatives to Originality AI, then you have come at the right time. We are about to discuss the top 5 alternatives of Originality AI, including Paraphraser Io, DeepL, Plagiarism Detector, Paraphrasing Tool, and Spinbot. By going through this video, you will definitely come to a conclusion which can be the best tool to help you with generating original content, improving your writing, and ensuring authenticity. Let's get into the insights then. Our first alternative is Paraphraser Io. Paraphraser Io is an intuitive online tool that comes with various modes for paraphrasing and offers a convenient way to rephrase and rewrite your text. It offers features like versatile content paraphrasing, free citation generator, and WordPress integration. With Paraphraser Io, you can transform your content effortlessly, making it unique and original. And not to miss out, it comes with a standout feature which lies in its ability to maintain the context and coherence of the original text, ensuring a seamless flow of ideas. Next up, we have DeepL. DeepL is an excellent writing assistant that provides a seamless translation experience with support for multiple document formats, such as PDF, PPT, Doc, TXT, and HTML. It comes with features like multiple format support, data organization, and seamless document translation. It harnesses the power of neural networks to enhance your writing, making it more engaging and authentic. And it also has one standout feature, which lies in its ability to understand the nuances of language and provide intelligent suggestions to refine your text. Our third alternative is Plagiarism Detector. Plagiarism Detector is an accurate tool that helps to maintain originality by identifying any instances of plagiarism in your written work. It offers features like plagiarism checking, paraphrasing, and multi-language support, accurate plagiarism checking, multiple language support, and smart spin. This tool can thoroughly scan your content and compare it against a vast database of sources to ensure its uniqueness. One of the standout features that you should know about is its comprehensive report, highlighting the exact areas where duplicate content has been detected. Moving on, let's explore Paraphrasing Tool. Designed for those seeking an easy way to rephrase sentences and passages, Paraphrasing Tool offers a user-friendly interface and efficient results. It offers features like accurate paraphrasing, grammar checker, and a convenient Chrome extension. Paraphrasing Tool utilizes advanced algorithms to rewrite your content, providing a fresh perspective while retaining the original meaning. One of its standout features is its extensive synonym database, ensuring that your paraphrased text maintains its coherence and clarity. Last but not least, we have Spinbot. Spinbot is a versatile tool for paraphrasing content with 3 different modes to suit your needs. It comes with exclusive features like Grammar Checker, Summarizer, and AI Content Detector. With its different modes and the ability to handle capitalized words, Spinbot allows users to customize the paraphrasing process. So one of its standout features that you should definitely know is its customizable settings, allowing you to control the level of spinning and tailor the output to your specific requirements. When compared to Originality AI, Paraphraser Io focuses on maintaining the original meaning while providing a fresh and unique perspective. DeepL, on the other hand, puts more emphasis on organizing data and providing context and synonyms, which enhances the quality of translations, making it a valuable alternative. Plagiarism Detector offers a robust plagiarism checking system to identify any instances of duplicate content. Originality AI provides a user-friendly interface and efficient results, utilizing advanced algorithms to rewrite your content while retaining the original meaning. Lastly, Spinbot leverages intelligent algorithms to replace words and phrases with their synonyms, effectively creating a new version of your text. Based on the features and their insights, we would recommend DeepL as the best alternative to Originality AI. DeepL provides advanced language suggestions and style improvements, allowing you to enhance the quality and authenticity of your writing. With its ability to understand the nuances of language, DeepL assists in creating more engaging and polished content. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the top 5 alternatives to Originality AI and helped you make an informed decision on which tool suits your needs best. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.